Sundays are for salmon and cooking your family delicious and nutritious meals. I'm here in Tasmania with Hobart behind me, and I'm going to teach you my tassel salmon lasagna. It's Tassie's pristine waters and produce that have inspired me to create this salmon lasagna for you. Mix your pumpkin, sliced garlic, thyme into a bowl with some olive oil and then transfer to a roasting tray. Bake the pumpkin for about 15 minutes until golden and tender. While your pumpkin is cooking, fry down your leek with some butter until soft. Add your spinach and lemon and cook until wilted. Remove your spinach and mix with your ricotta, parmesan and egg. That's our ricotta layer ready to go, and now it's time to slice our tassel salmon and layer our lasagna. Prep your salmon by slicing it lengthways. Use your roasted pumpkin to create the first layer of the lasagna. So if you're like me, when you cook pasta, you often cook too much. Keep it and use it in this beautiful lasagna. So I've got leftover spaghetti, and this is going to act as our lasagna sheets. Use the spaghetti to create another layer on top of the pumpkin. Make an even layer of your ricotta and spinach mix and then top it with one last layer of spaghetti. Finish off your lasagna with one layer of tassel salmon. Beautiful. So one even layer of gorgeous tassel salmon, one more layer of pasta, and garnish with mozzarella and pine nuts. Bake in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes until cheese is golden and salmon has cooked through. That's how easy it is to feed a family of 6 delicious, nutritious tassel salmon lasagna. Give the recipe a crack, let us know what you think.